Welcome back to Brackets, the web-free fantasy football platform built for the 2026 FIFA World Cup. In this tutorial we're going to walk you through everything you need to know about building your squad, using the filters, picking your 11, setting your captain, and locking your team before the deadline. If you have multiple teams, use the drop-down at the top to switch between them. For this tutorial we're starting fresh, a brand new team with 0 players selected. You can see the team card showing 0 out of 11 players. Hit Manage Team to open your squad builder and start drafting. First things first, pick your formation. We have 4 options to choose from depending on how you like to play. This shapes how your players sit on the pitch, so choose wisely. We'll go with a classic 2-4-4-1 today. Before we start picking, let me show you the filters. These are going to save you a lot of time. First up, filter by position. Hit GK, def, mid, or forward to narrow down the list to exactly who you need. Next, the player search. Start typing any name and the list updates instantly. Looking for a specific star player? Find them in seconds. Third, filter by country. Use the country drop-down to browse the full squad of any nation in the tournament. Fourth, sort by price, high to low. This shows you the premium players at the top, the ones with the highest fantasy value. Great for spotting who's worth the investment. And finally, the max price slider. Drag it left to filter out players above your budget. Remember, you have a $100,000 budget across your entire squad, so manage it wisely. Scroll down and you'll see your football pitch on the right and the full player list on the left. Every nation in the 2026 World Cup is here. Over 700 players to choose from. Alright, time to build. We need 1 goalkeeper, defenders, midfielders, and forwards to match our formation. Hit the plus button next to any player to add them straight to the pitch. Watch the pitch fill up as we go, each position slots in exactly where it belongs. Keep an eye on your budget in the top bar, it updates live with every pick. Remember, you can have a maximum of 3 players from the same nation, so spread your selections across the tournament. Mix the big nations with some hidden gems to get the most value out of your $100,000. And just like that, all 11 players selected, budget managed, squad complete. Last step, pick your captain. Your captain earns double points every match, so choose your most reliable player. Tap the C button on the pitch to assign captaincy. The gold badge confirms your pick. Happy with your squad? Hit Lock Team. Your team is now locked in for this round. It's official, it's on chain, and it's ready to score points from match day 1. One thing to note, once your team is locked you can't make changes until the next round opens. Transfers are available between rounds, so plan ahead and stay sharp. Good luck out there, see you on the leaderboard.